Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your boxing gym business. So let's suppose I'm running a boxing gym business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I'm manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, what I'm going to do, as soon as this Chatflow or the chatbot will be created, and when a user send me a message, automatically and instantly a reply will be sent to them according to their query. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your boxing gym business. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp. For this, I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message like hello, and you will see that I am going to receive the reply. Hey, welcome to Pop Boxing Academy. I'm your virtual assistant ready to throw the first punch. Choose an option below to get started. So here I have all the options and you will see that as soon as I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. So if I click on this book a trial, I'm going to receive a message. If I click on this view schedule, I'm going to receive a message. And if I click on this membership plans, I'm going to receive the message according to the buttons which I have clicked. This is the message for this view schedule, and then I have received the message for the membership plan. Now the first message which I have received. Now here, if I click on this book a trial, I'm going to receive the message like you have to enter your name. So if I enter my name, and then I send this message, you will see that I'm going to receive the next question as the preferred date. So this is the preferred date. I'm going to receive the next question after this that we have to select this slot. I'll go with this morning and it is going to send me the message. Thanks for sharing your details, Shubhamurthy. And you can see that it has sent me this personalized message. Our team is reviewing your request and will confirm your class shortly. Now after this message, if I click on the send tips, I'm going to receive some tips. If I click on this main menu, I will be redirected to that main menu. So it has sent me the tip, always spend at least 5-10 minutes warming up before your boxing session. If I click on this more, it is going to send me more tips like the jab is your most important punch, practice daily, focus on speed, accuracy and proper footwork. If I click on this more, it is going to keep sending me more tips. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your boxing gym business. For this, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. Then we have this contacts, which manage your leads, customers and their details. Next we have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaign. We have this broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant which use AI tool to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. We have the settings where we can see all these options which help us configure account integration and preferences. We have this get help which access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Moving on towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now we have to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, and to create this WhatsApp chatbot, on the left hand side we have this option of flows. So we have to open this flows, and here we are landed towards this flow builder. We can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. We can see all the flows which we have created. Now to create a new flow, we simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this, and here we have landed towards this page. Now before we start creating this flow, let's first rename this to WhatsApp chatbot for your boxing gym business. And now before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, on the left hand side we have two very most important options, and under these options we have very most important buttons. We will be using all of these buttons while creating this WhatsApp chatbot, so let's quickly go through all of these buttons. The first button under message is text button and media button. So this helps us send text message along with media like the video, audio file or document. We can use this list instead of using the buttons when we want to provide more options, many more options. If you want to send a catalog message, you can use this button. If you have single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many product, you can use this button. Then we have this option of templates. So this is a pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons or links. Moving on to the next option of actions. Under actions, the very first option is of condition, which allows you to set logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We can ask the address of the user, we can ask the location, we can ask any question, we can ask them to upload the media, we can set the custom field, we can segment these users according to our choice in the product and the services. We can use this API request which helps us retrieve the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we can use this connect flow which links the flow to another chatbot flow. We are done with understanding all the buttons and options. Now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So to start this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, and to do this we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter the keyword and the regex. I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey and hi. You can also use the keywords from your product and services, like I'm running a boxing gym business, so I could write boxing gym or something like that. Now I need to enter this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex pattern as, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format itself. You can use keyword or you can use regex or you can use both. Here for now I'm going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so I have removed the keywords. Now here we are done with adding the keywords and the regex, which means we have activated or triggered this WhatsApp chatbot. Now as soon as this WhatsApp chatbot gets triggered, the next message is sent. So how we are going to send this message? For that I have to go towards my flow, and I'm going to click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. From this drop down, I'm going to select my content type as text plus button. I have already explained to you all the content types. I want to send the message, so that's why I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter the message like, hey, welcome to Boxing Academy. I'm your virtual assistant, ready to throw the first punch, choose an option, and then I'm going to add the button to provide the option. If you want to provide many more options, you can use this list button as I've told you earlier. Here I'm just going to provide 3 options, so I have entered or added the buttons, and then I'm going to provide the value to these buttons. In this message, you can see that I have bold this text. So how I was able to bold this text? I have entered star in the beginning and in the end of the sentence, and with the help of this method I was able to bold the text. Now I'm going to enter the buttons, but we have to keep in mind that while creating these buttons we cannot add these stars to bold the text. We can do this only in the messages. So here I'm quickly going to create the buttons. So here I've entered all the buttons: book a trial, view schedule, membership plans. I want to provide 3 options, and then you will see that I have also attached an image. Now how you're going to attach the image? I've told you earlier that we can send the text and the images, videos, audios with the help of this media button. So I'm going to click on this add content, and then I'm going to click on this media, and then I'm going to select my media type. I want to upload this image, so I have selected that, and then I'm going to simply click on this cloud, and and then I'm going to upload the media which I want to upload. We just need to keep in mind that we do not exceed this file size. And here the media has been uploaded. So here this message is going to send me in this format, and when I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. So here I'm quickly going to complete this flow and we will get back understanding all the details of the buttons and messages. So let me quickly complete this flow. So here I'm done creating all the buttons and all the messages. Here for this book a trial, I have created this message. The first message is full name. So I'm going to ask the full name, and when they give me the name, I'm going to ask them the date, and when they give me the date, I'm going to ask them the slot. Now as soon as they send me the slot, I'm going to send them the confirmation message that my team is getting back to them shortly, and meanwhile they can ask me for the tips or they can get back to the main menu. Now how I have built this connection, I have simply clicked on the circle of this main menu, drag and drop the circle and drop it to this circle where we have created this main menu. So over here you can see that I have asked the question. I have used this question box instead of using that text plus button option or the button. So here how I have done this, I have simply drag and drop this ask question, and then I have entered my question that I wanted the name of this user. So first I have entered the question in this contact custom field which I have already created for this full name. I have selected that as full name, and then the format I have selected this as text because the name will obviously be in the text format. And then I have entered this date. I want to ask their date, so I have selected the contact custom field as date, and then I have entered the format as date, and then I have used this text plus button in which I have provided them option for the slot. Which slot do they prefer, morning, afternoon or evening? And when they click on any of the slots, I am going to send them that my team is getting back to them shortly. Now what's up with this question box? Here I have entered the question, marked the contact custom field in the format, and as soon as my customer is going to answer me with this question, it gets saved in this contact custom field. Here you can see that in the message I have received a personalized message. So how I was able to do this? On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have to go towards the settings and I have to click on this contact custom field. Let's open this, and here I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I have created. You can create as many as contact custom fields as you want. And then as you ask the question for this full name, what I have done, I have asked this, what is your full name? And then I've copied this contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then I have pasted this. For just example, I'm going to paste this and it will appear something like this. And in the same manner, I have copied and pasted this, which helped me create a personalized message. So to summarize, we have first created the question, we have created the contact custom field for that question, and as soon as they answer that question, it gets saved in this contact custom field, and then we can use that later as an information. So here I have created these messages. The next button was of view schedule. I have sent them the schedule, that these are the schedules. If you want to book a class, I am going to send this message in which I have asked them the question that in which class they are interested in. As they answer me, I am going to send this message. As you can see that this is the message in which I am collecting all the details. So whenever they answer me with the class they are interested in, I am going to send them this message. The last button was of membership plan, in which I have provided them all the membership. If they click on this register, now I have created this connection over here. You can see that I have created this connection from this box to this box, and I will be collecting all their information. If they want to talk to coach, I have provided this contact details, and if they want to get back to the main menu, I have created the connection between this box and this box. I am going to correct this. So here we are done with creating all the buttons and messages, and now we have to make sure that we have toggle on this button to keep this flow active. If we do not keep this flow active, the messages will not be sent, and after that we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here the flow updated successfully. So here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your boxing gym business. If you have any doubts or query, you can comment down the video below, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.